lost $20,000 trading. Yeah, $20,000 gone. And here's the thing, it wasn't because the market was bad. It was because I was unprepared. I jumped into the battlefield with no armor, no plan, just pure confidence. And I want to share the real 7 mistakes that killed my account, so maybe you don't repeat them. Trading without knowledge. Before trading, I thought watching a few YouTube videos was enough. I had no clue about patterns, volume, or how news moves prices. I didn't understand that emotions, fear, greed, ego can completely destroy you. If you want to trade, learn first. Invest in good education. Understand the game before you step onto the battlefield. Going all in. One day, I placed a $13,000 trade in one single shot. No stop loss, no plan, just confidence. I told myself, if I win, I'll double my account. But I didn't. I lost. Rule number 1, never risk everything on one trade. Start small, even if you feel confident. Test the market first. It's not about winning fast. It's about surviving long enough to learn. No risk management. Risk management isn't sexy, but it's survival. Always set a stop loss before you even click buy. Know why you're getting in. Know when you'll get out. The real gain happens when you buy smart, not when you hope for a miracle. No vision, no patience. I remember buying a stock at its lowest level in 5 years. I sold it after making $200 and felt like a genius. Today, that same stock is worth 15 times more. That's what happens when you have no vision. Don't chase short-term profits. Decide who you are, a day trader, a swing trader, or an investor. Pick your lane and master it. Following the hype. I used to follow every trending stock everyone talked about. No fundamentals, no real company behind it, just hype. If everyone's screaming about a stock, you're probably late. Focus on value, not noise. Trust your research, not the crowd. Hidden costs. Here's something people forget. Trading is expensive. I was paying $99 a month just for data access. And on top of that, every single buy or sell came with transaction fees. A few dollars here, a few dollars there, but they add up fast. Add it all together, it's thousands over the year. Thousands I didn't make back. Every small cost adds up. Every dollar counts. Too many opinions. Another mistake, listening to everybody. Reddit, Discord, Twitter. Too many voices, too much noise. Don't drown in opinions. Pay for quality information from reliable sources. Because yeah, good information costs money, but ignorance costs more. Competing with sharks. Never forget, you're not playing against other beginners. You're trading against banks, hedge funds, algorithms, entities with billions, with a B. You're playing with hundreds or thousands. They're playing with billions. So be humble. Respect the game. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's a long journey of discipline, patience, and respect for money. Losses shouldn't break you. Wins shouldn't blind you. Money comes to those who understand its value. So never underestimate any dollar you spend, any trade you make, or any lesson you learn. Because the goal isn't just to make money, it's to keep it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.